Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. Welcome to another episode of Learn UiPath in 5 minutes. Today we'll talk about GSuite. The idea is like this. Inside of UiPath, you need to search for GSuite and you have Google Workspace package. You install this package and then you'll have a full list of stuff that we are able to work with GSuite. And we have to talk about this configuration because the configuration it's important. It's not so direct one. Yeah, so you have here all the stuff with Drive, Sheet, Gmail, and so on. So I have here an example with Gmail, and I have another example with Sheet on the internet. So here the configuration, basically you have multiple options, and I will show the option for this. So you have the authentication type, you have the option with auto authentication, and you have the option with service account. In case of Gmail, I use the auto authentication. In case of Google Sheet, I use the service account. So let's understand from where you start with this one. So for the configuration to start, it's from here, from dashboard. So console google.cloud. You go to dashboard, you go to API service, and you go to credential. And in my case of Gmail, I go there and I create here a credential, an O2 credential, and on this O2 credential, I extract the two stuff that I have here, the client ID and client secret. Let's see for Google Sheet, we use service account, and here I have a full movie. So you have the automate with service account, and here on this movie, I will go and show you the configuration on this movie. Yeah. So I did this stuff with service account, and take a look on what I do. I go to credentials. After I go to credentials, I go to create service. On create service, I will do an yes, credential. Service, and I do the so everything it's inside of this movie. You create you put the name there, the configuration, and then we'll generate this key. This key will be saved as a JSON. Yeah. So you go on this one, and on the key, let me change a little the resolution. So it saved this private key as a JSON. After he saved the private key as a JSON, you will go and put this private key inside of your project. This is your project, and inside of the project will rename the key to be key, and here inside of the GSuite, so we have the service account configure, and we'll put the name key there, yeah, the key JSON. And in this way, we have the configuration ready to be able to use Google Sheet or Google Docs and so on. So you go and write a range, and you are able to access the system. There is another step here. You need to you need to have the API on this account, yeah. So to be able to you need on the Google Sheet, you need to put this to be able to share the account, but you need also to activate the so here on the API on console google.com, we need to activate the API for Google Sheet, the API for Gmail, and so on. So you have the full configuration here on the YouTube for Google Sheet, And remember that in my case, to be able to work with Gmail, I use the auto authentication with the client secret and client ID. As usual, if you like my movies, please come and subscribe to my channel and ask me what else you want to see on my movies. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Stay safe. Bye bye.